Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can recall or unsend a message in Outlook. Here I am in my Outlook app. Go to sent items. You can only recall mail which are days or a week old. Click on the mail you want to recall. Then click on three dots here and go to other reply actions. You will see an option here of recall a mail. If you don't see it here, then go to three dots here on the top corner. Click here and you will find the option of recall mail here. Click that and your mail will be recalled. I hope you liked this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel and we will see you in our next video.